Aha Ads is a performance-based advertising platform that leverages AI to optimize ad campaigns. It allows businesses to connect with creators and target audiences effectively, ensuring advertisers only pay for tangible results based on clicks received. With Aha Ads, Aha's high-performance-based creator advertising platform exceeds human limitations to deliver exceptional outcomes and trust by partners from 100-plus regions, ranging from startups to enterprises. Business info. Aha Ads is an influencer marketing AI-powered advertising platform that connects businesses with targeted audiences through pay-per-click campaigns. Leveraging millions of top creators and advanced analytics ensures efficient budget management and high ROI. Core features: influencer marketing and performance-based advertising. Aha Ads connects businesses with targeted audiences through pay-per-click campaigns and AI-driven optimization, ensuring efficient budget use and maximum ROI. AI-powered audience matching. Advanced algorithms analyze brand targets and creator audience profiles to find the best fit of creators, ensuring campaigns reach the right people for maximum impact. Multi-platform reach supports various social media platforms for campaign distribution, making it easier for advertisers to manage all their marketing channels in one place. High conversion creator content. Our AI-tailored ad content drives conversion rates that are 52% higher than those achieved by human-operated campaigns. 4 times faster optimization. Real-time analytics and automated adjustments enable campaign refinements up to 4 times faster than traditional manual methods. You are assured with 1. Performance-based payment model, where advertisers pay per click, ensuring a more efficient use of marketing budgets and maximizing ROI. 2. AI-driven audience selection and ad optimization, enabling brands to deliver ads to the right audiences at the most effective times. 3. Supports various social media platforms for campaign distribution and making it easier for advertisers to manage all their marketing channels in one place. 4. Customizable ad content generation tailored to creator styles, ensuring a more authentic and engaging experience for their audience. 5. Real-time analytics and reporting for campaign performance, allowing brands to make data-driven decisions and refine their strategies on the fly. It's similar to Google Ads in the era of AI and creators. In the era of AI and creator, a world of possibilities has opened up. Our AI-native advertising platform maximizes the impact and effectiveness of advertising, inspiring you to shape the future of your industry and craft campaigns that genuinely resonate with people. All the ways you can be seen. YouTube creators provide in-depth content through long videos, helping you acquire more loyal users who are willing to spend more time with you, resulting in better retention. Instagram creators engage audiences through social interaction and visual appeal in their posts and reels. Their lifestyle enhances your brand image and drives user growth. TikTok creators craft creative short videos that present easily consumable and entertaining content. Let users to get to know you effortlessly and enjoyably. X creators quickly spreads news about your product's technological innovations and current events through tweets and short videos, gaining significant attention from early adopters in a short time. Achieve all your goals in one place and break free from unclear influencer marketing. Optimize highest ROI, maximize leads and conversions, boost revenue, shine your brand to more people. Aha AI intelligently selects audiences that drive effective promotions for you and uses our model to match them with creators and create content that performs best after being viewed by those audiences. Get the most from your budget. Utilizing trillions of signals and billions of real-time predictions, and the conjunctions with your campaign data, we optimize creator bids tailored for diverse audiences, as well as adjust allocation ratios and trending content. This approach maximizes the performance of your influencer marketing ads, one click away from going viral. Our viral content generation feature, trained on tens of millions of data points, customizes ad content idea for each creator. These ad content ideas are designed to have the highest potential to go viral based on the creator's past creations and your product characteristics. Your campaign on Autopilot. Just review reports. Your campaign will run automatically using optimal strategies and handle invitations. You'll just need to review influencers and content, receive the final performance report, and make decisions on future budget allocations. Say goodbye to the hassle of choosing platforms. You just need to indicate all the platforms you wish to use, and AHA AI will optimize budget allocation across social media platforms to best enhance campaign performance. To get started, you will need to log in and go to Create Campaign, and here you have Traffic Leads, a coming soon feature with app promotion, signups, or sales. We will do sales as an example. You can do one-time payment, pay as you go, coming soon feature, or subscription. We will do subscription. Hit next and put in your website. And under here, it will basically create a description for your link. There is advanced settings, but I'm just going to hit next. You can do YouTube, Instagram, Reels, TikTok, Twitter. I'm going to do YouTube. Let's do North America. And do flexible post time. Hit next. And here we have optimized audiences. And we'll do, let's do about 50 USD per month. I'm just going to put in random numbers here so you guys get the gist of how everything goes, so I can go through it quickly. And you got the block list, brand assets, reimbursement for product trial, product explainer, product/key values, honors and endorsements, just credits. But yeah, you can do manual placement, do yourself automated placement, which we're going to do that real quickly. But yeah, and then put your landing page link in here and then test data source. And next you will enter your payment details. And that is all, everybody. Have an amazing day.